ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما بعثت رحمة أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Start with great name of Almighty Allah, and who is most merciful and most beneficial, who is Rahman and Rahim, who has given us power of speaking. Honorable chief guests and respectable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic which is declared to me, that is the life of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respected chief guests, nearly 1400 years ago, the people were engaged to cruelty, illiteracy, ignorance, superstition, obscenity, and the lust of social evils. Then Allah Almighty sent Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam among themselves to bring them in the light of it. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah 571. He belonged to a noble tribe called Quraysh. His father name was Abdullah and his mother name was Amina. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had not done anything bad with anyone and not had involved in any bad activities since his childhood up to his whole life. Therefore, he was given some great title, means Alqab Sadiqul Amin, means truthful and honest man, Rahmatul lil Alameen, merciful always. As we all know, he had simple life and poor people loved his purity and holiness, and all were influenced by his moral and conduct. Because of his moral and conduct and the shape of Arabia civilization was now respected. Arabia civilization was now once upon a time, some Sahaba radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked Ummul Mu'minin Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, tell us about the ethic of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, tell us, haven't you read Quran? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha said his moral and characters are an embodiment of Quran. In the battle of Uhud al-Hunain, the complete faith of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and trust in Allah Almighty appears as dominant feature in life. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Taif to preach Islam. People there throw stones at him. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam said, O Muhammad, speak, if you so wish I will destroy them. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam cutely replied, O gracious Allah Almighty, show them the right path. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who do not know what they are doing, and let them know I am their well-wisher, so now I will destroy them. Thank you very much for your attention. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.